Is this thing on? All right. What's up? It's your boy Loud Pack Seth, Sephy Seth. It's Friday. Happy Friday. A couple days before the big snowstorm. Just checking up on y'all. Just chatting. Another day. Got my cold brew. So what's up? What's new? What's up on the news? All right. What's for lunch? What's for breakfast? You know, what should I eat for breakfast today? No cap. Just waking up. Bear with me. You know what I'm saying? First things first. I know you guys heard about the YNW Melly trial. And I just want to know, I wonder how his state of mind is. Forget the trial and all that. I'm not going to jump into it. But I wonder how his mind is. You know, I think like 8 years in the dog pound. So interesting. I wonder if he gets TV at least or something. Wow. Very interesting. What else we got going on? We got football this week. All right. Not the playoffs that I wanted, but I'll still tune in. You know, I really wanted to see the Bills or Bears make it this far. But it is what it is. All right. What else we got going on? What's new? The world is still quiet right now. Still a little early. Quick freestyle. Time never stops, so why should I? Ready to go, ready to fly. One thing about me is I'ma get right. What's up, what's up, what's up with it, man? What's going on? What is going on? Leave a comment below. What's up? What's new? Alright. While we're at it, let's just jump into some advice. Here is how to impress a good boy. Bear with me. Come over here, you good boy. Notice my tone, right? So seductive. What else is new, man? We need some new music, man. Hopefully Uzi drops a nice album for us. You know, that would be cool. Or Drake. I'm excited for Drake. Iceman. That would be pretty cool. What else we got going on? What's new? What's new? I think that's pretty much it. Right. I think it's time for me to hit the good old dusty trails.